What's going on, everyone? Back again with another video. For those of you that are interested in the muffler cutouts or whatnot, so I currently have them installed on a 2013 Dodge Charger Pursuit 5.7 Hemi V8, and I have mine installed at the back, right there. That one guy, and the other one is right there. So let's give it a go. Does not have the resonators or whatever you want to call it in the middle. Currently, start her up. Oh, keys, obviously. That's a cold start pretty much. And that's closed. Rev her up a little bit. As you can see, cold start. Temperature is pretty low. Don't worry about the tail lights. Turn that off. And then well, the way I have mine wired, I will need to I have mine wired differently. So you can have this thing wired to a point that it's always on, totally up to you. But with a push of a button, that's open, that's closed, that's pretty much quiet. Now I do have the option to reduce it manually, so like if I don't want it all the way open, if I don't want it, I can manually adjust it, make it quieter. But I don't usually use that option really. I pretty much use open all the way or pretty much closed. So open. That's it.